Oppo has finally launched the ColorOS 13, and in this video I'm going to show you all the new cool features and design changes they have made. So when it releases for your device, you are going to get an update like this. For me, it was a 5.38 gigs of update, and the update process is fairly simple and straightforward. Okay, so the update process is finished and let's talk about it. There's a ton of small changes across the system, which means it looks better than ever before. For ColorOS 13, Oppo has opted for a new design. It is inspired by the movement of water and is supposed to convey a feeling of fluidity in its icon and animations. A more notable visual change is what Oppo calls card design. Basically, we switch to a system of tiles or cards to structure the interface of certain applications like the file manager or the shelf panel. The configuration allows us to better understand the information displayed on the screen. But I find the tiles also take a lot of space for not much. It's a matter of taste, and at least it has the merit of not overloading the screen. Okay, now let's take a look on the new features. New control center. ColorOS 13 has introduced a new control center with enlarged toggles for two of your favorite quick settings. The music player has also been reworked to appear within the quick toggles menu. The quick setting menu also has a new improved layout for when you are in landscape mode. Overall, I really like the new updated look and it feels good while using. New widgets. ColorOS 13 brings a pack of new widgets for various apps. There's the weather widget, battery widget, which shows battery uses within a chart, two other clock widgets, and more. These widgets are interactive, not just there for the show. You can also place these widgets on the shelf menu, which can be accessed by swiping down on the home screen. Also, you can turn it off. Enlarged folders. With ColorOS 13, you can easily enlarge folder to access apps in the folder. This lets you open an app without having to open a folder. You can even swipe within the folder and launch your favorite app from it. By the way, do you like this wallpaper? This is one of the images I have shot for Oppo. So if you like it, to watch more of my works, follow me on Instagram. Always on display. ColorOS 13 brings a massive update to the Always On display. You can now get complete music control and a playlist of Spotify on the Always On display. You can also get your order updates on food delivery apps such as Zomato and Swiggy on the Always On app display. Plus, some new animations like a polar bear or a penguin moving on a block of ice or a clownfish moving around a coral reef. Oppo has also collaborated with Snapchat to bring Bitmoji on the Always On display. Lastly, you get a new Inside Always On display which shows how many times you have unlocked your phone and how many hours you have been using it throughout the day. Privacy changes. ColorOS 13 brings all the Android 13 privacy changes. These changes are standard to Android 13, like the system automatically deleting your clipboard history after an hour, or the nearby Wi-Fi sharing feature. Beside the standard Android 13 privacy features, ColorOS 13 brings some unique privacy features as well. One of those features is called Auto Pixelate. This feature will automatically pixelate any username or profile picture within a screenshot or a photo of chat you want to share. By the way, I have recently posted the Oppo Reno 8 unboxing and first impression video on the channel. Do check that out. Also, I'm testing the beta version. I don't have access to all the features yet. So stay tuned for further updates and let me know which one is your favorite feature and what changes you wish to see. That's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, subscribe and stay tuned. And follow me on Instagram for more contents. Peace.